If you ever wondered what that noise was and you really didn't know, and you hear it in the morning, it's like waking up. I'm not talking about the chicken in the background, the rooster. I'm talking about this bird. Listen to the way he wakes up. You hear it? This is who makes that sound. I used to love that sound. I still love it. So, if this is the bird that makes the sound, yeah, one more time for good measure, birdie. Anyway, now we know. Name the bird if you can. I don't know. See if you can put the name of the bird in the comments.